Freelancing means working independently and offering your services to clients without being tied to a single employer. It allows you to take control of your work and career, offering flexibility and freedom to choose your own projects. Freelancing offers many advantages, such as working on your own schedule, selecting projects that interest you, and the potential to earn more than a regular job. However, it also comes with challenges. Finding clients consistently, managing your finances independently, and handling all responsibilities alone can be difficult. Freelancing is providing your skills and services independently to clients without committing to a long-term employer. This means you work on projects or tasks for different clients as per your availability and interest. Popular freelancing skills include web development, graphic design, and content creation. Freelancers can offer project-based deliverables, consultations, or even ongoing retainer work depending on their expertise and client needs. Freelancing provides the freedom to choose projects that match your interests and skills. You can work flexible hours and have the opportunity to grow your own business independently, which is rewarding and empowering. To start freelancing, identify your marketable skills and create a professional portfolio showcasing your work. Set clear goals along with pricing for your services. Finding clients can be done through freelance platforms, job boards, networking, and asking for referrals from past clients. Consistently delivering quality work is key to success. Always meet deadlines and strive to exceed your clients' expectations. This builds trust and increases the chances of repeat business and good reviews. Effective time management involves using calendars and to-do lists, setting realistic deadlines, and prioritizing important tasks. Clear client communication is vital. Always clarify project details, provide regular updates, and maintain professionalism and responsiveness. This simple Python example calculates the total invoice amount based on hours worked and hourly rate. It adds a 10% tax to the total work amount. Understanding such tools helps freelancers manage billing and payments efficiently. Start freelancing by setting clear goals and building a strong portfolio. Communicate effectively with clients and continuously improve your skills. These habits will help you succeed and grow your freelance career steadily.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.